Today we're making a giant Pop-Tart for breakfast. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today I have another in our breakfast series, and you can use canned pie filling, home canned pie filling. My niece used store-bought, but I had taught her how to do this a while back, and then we didn't do a video, and it turned out so good that we had to do a video, and I didn't have any more cherry pie filling. But here is a really great treat recipe. We took this with us camping, and so it was really fun to have this with us camping, and it just makes a great breakfast pastry. So here you go. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Leave a comment, please. Have a great day. I have a puff pastry sheet on each of my, that one's empty, yep, trays, and we're going to go ahead and put cherry pie filling on there. Homemade Pop-Tarts. Cherry Pop-Tarts today. Get it out real close to the edges. Remember, you gotta fork the edges, so you don't want it right at the edge, but fairly close. You could just flip that, Chris. Okay, and then just like with Pop-Tarts, go around it. Little fork marks. After you bake these, then you cut them into the squares, so they're not pre-cut like the ones at the store. They're just big giant ones, and they taste so much better. And just go all the way around. Preheat your oven at 425, and then you're going to go ahead and bake until golden brown. Go ahead and let it set to cool. You don't want it too hot when you put the frosting on. 1 teaspoon in. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, powdered sugar, and a little milk to make the glaze. And we just measure with our and just wound up being about 2 cups of powdered sugar, a couple teaspoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. It's an eyeball recipe. Sorry, I don't have exact amounts. To make it a little bit prettier, you could use the clear vanilla, but just need a real thin glaze. Puff pastry will be really, really tall when you first take it out of the oven, but then it will kind of fall. And once it's cool, you can apply the glaze to your puff pastry. And this is the finished look, and it is so delicious. And it's good for about 3 days if you refrigerate it. Save 10% on superb canning lids and canning jars. Thanks. Use the code RebelCanners10. The link is below.
Hey,
if you like my content, make sure you're subscribed and you have the notification bell
and
set
be sure to hit the like button on your way out.
all videos. Thank you. Have a great day.